Nature Bear was created to develop all-natural, eco-friendly body care products that are safe for the entire family. You can trust that your family is using a quality product that has been tested by other families. Nature Bear's mission is to offer you a solution to skincare issues with ingredients you can trust. Tushy Tush, the first product in the line, was created out of necessity and the lack of natural ingredient-conscious products readily available. Try Nature Bear today. Natural, simple, fair.